Paying a loan in the gas station simulator is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Navigate to the financial or management section of the game. This could be within a menu or an interface related to your gas station's finances. Locate information about your existing loans. This might include details such as the loan amount, interest rate, and remaining balance. Look for an option to make a loan payment. This could be labeled as loan payment, finance, or something similar. If you have multiple loans, choose the specific loan you want to repay. Enter the amount you wish to pay toward the loan. Some games might allow partial payments, while others may require full payments. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your loan payment. This might involve clicking a confirm button or navigating through a series of prompts. After making the payment, check the loan status to see the updated remaining balance and any changes in your financial situation.